everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make a hole using finger and remove the end of the thread over and over again. Roll it. Now we are going to remove the end from the hole like this. Pull it tightly and make a ring shape like this and pull it tightly and look, it's done. Going to hold the thread like this and make a loop like we are doing here. Now we are going to repeat the same process from other end of the nylon thread and remove it through the center hole like this. Repeat the same process from other end as well and pull it tightly and look, it's done. Here we are using this yellow color of thread and make two loops like this. Here it is looking like a heart shape. Now remove both ends through the center part of the loop and then from the bottom part like this. Pull it tightly like we are doing here and look, your design is ready. Finally we are tying a knot, so we are going to remove it from the center part and pull all the threads like we are doing here. We are going to make a knot at the center and look, it's done. Here we are going to use this green color of thread to twist it and make a loop and remove both the ends of the thread like we're doing here. Similar way we're going to put both the end from the corner part and make another loop like this. After this we're going to adjust this further and remove it from the center part of the thread like we're doing here. Flip it and do the same from its upper portion. Remove both of them like this and look, your design is ready. Pull it tightly and it's done. We're going to make a keychain, so first tie a knot like this. Now repeat the same process. We are going to overlap the thread and remove the key like this and pull it tightly. You will get this beautiful design at the end. Let's make a keychain design using this yellow color of nylon thread. So tie a knot from one end. Similar way we are going to remove the other end of the thread through the loop like this and look, you will get this design and they are looking very identical. Now you have to pull both of them like this in the opposite direction and adjust it and look, your design is ready. We're going to stick both of them together using fire, but it is very weak, so we are going to take this thread and needle. We're going to sew both of them together, so hold the thread from its both ends. Now we are going to roll the thread over it like this. After sewing we are going to roll it like this. So hold it from one end and roll the thread over it like this over and over again and look, it's done. After this we are going to take another end of the thread and put it at the center and roll it from this side as well. Look, you have to put the thread at the center. After this we're going to tie a knot, so pull the thread tightly from both ends and cut the extra thread and pull it and it will not break that much easily. Thank you so much for watching this video.